Alright guys, so I'm back with another video here, and all I have is a standard GE Spectra stove, and this front right corner here is not heating up as it should. It's not working at all, so I'm going to show you how to replace this burner. It's a real simple process. Alright, so before we go any further in this video, make sure your appliances are always unplugged before you do any type of servicing or going on the inside of them. Alright, we'll go ahead and get started here. Alright, so all these machines are basically the same. All you're going to have is either a Phillips head or a 1/4 inch bolt around this back plate. We're just going to go ahead and remove those now. This specific machine has 4 bolts. Alright, once we've got these bolts removed, we'll just go ahead and solder this plate out the way. Alright, so as you can see, I've got the new one right here. It's used, but it works. We're just going to throw it on here. So all you have to do is you just pull this knob off. It's going to be the same with most standard stoves. And all we're going to do is we're going to take a Phillips head and we're going to remove these 2 Phillips head screws right here. We're going to make sure they're sitting off to the side so we don't lose them. They're pretty small screws right here. Alright, so once we've got those 2 bolts removed, all we're going to do is we're going to come around the back here. Alright, so I've already loosened my wires a little bit, and all we're going to do is I've got this one sitting the same way that this one sits, and you're just going to grab one wire at a time. We're just going to match up the wires as they go on. Alright, so we're going to grab this one. Go ahead and turn this down here. Got these 2 in. Got 3 wires left. I'm gonna start with the one on top. Alright, so it's getting to be a little bit of a tight squeeze, but as you can see, there's only 2 left. It's the red one that goes above the blue one, and then the black one. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch those real quick. So last wire for the old one. We're gonna slide it on here. And all we're gonna do is feed this back through, just like so. We're gonna slide it in the hole right there. And we'll meet back up around the front of the stove. Alright, so once we're back around the front of the machine, all we're gonna do is you're gonna grab your small screws and you're gonna want to start them out by hand. And once we've got them started by hand, we can grab our screwdriver. Alright, so we've plugged the machine back in. Let's see how this thing's doing. Alright, and everything's working like it should. Thanks for watching.